Okay, well, this is a special day hiking with my son Andrew. We haven't hiked together for a while. Andrew's got a long history of hiking. He rode on my chest up Smith Rock when he was only 3 weeks old. He doesn't remember much about that hike though. Anyway, we're going to be doing the place called The Thumb, and it's near Lincoln City, Oregon on the coast. And we hope it doesn't rain. It's cloudy, but might be okay. We'll talk to you down the trail. Well, just getting underway here. And there's Andrew with his pal Archie. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful trail. And let's hope the rain holds off. Okay, still early in the trail. We're actually on a dirt road which doubles as the trail for now, and there are some residents around here. There's one, we just passed a couple of others, and there's Andrew and Archie up ahead, and I'm amazed that we're even hiking today. I drove through about 110 miles of solid rain, and we get here and now the sun's peeking through and I can see some blue sky. Wow. Yay, sun. Both of them. Okay, well, we just climbed probably 400 or 500 feet, pretty steep, and we're going out to this point of land that they call the Knoll. Wow, it's looking pretty spectacular, like so many other places in this gorgeous state of Oregon. And there's Andrew and Archie. A little more about the history of hiking with Andrew. He and I have done some major hikes. We did Mount Everest Base Camp 11 years ago, and that's a 70 mile round trip, and about 8,800 feet of elevation gain and then loss. With our family, we've climbed Mount Whitney, the highest peak in the lower 48 at 14,508 feet. And also Mount Washington, New Hampshire, which is the highest in the Northeast at 6,288 feet. And lots more. We'll talk to you again soon. Enjoy the view. So we're looking down on Lincoln City. This mammoth tree fell right across the trail, so we found a little improvised trail to get around it. Andrew's demonstrating it right now. Yeah, anyway, other than that, it's clear sailing. There's Andrew and Archie getting to the top of God's thumb, the thumb. And that's Lower Cascade Head over there. I've hiked there before, saw a herd of 50 elk. Hey, we're coming to the end of the trail. We got a little bit left to walk on the public road to get to our vehicles. This has been a great hike with a bonus of having beautiful weather. When you consider that when I left Eugene and for about 100 miles I was in very heavy rain almost all of the way. Broke into the sunlight about 4 miles from the trailhead. And you can see that it's been beautiful for the entire time. Hey, thanks for watching. See you on the next adventure.